Very quickly, I'm going to go over through data validation. Now, what is data validation? Data validation is a process in which when we enter a data into a certain cell, it validates the data and then it is used in the formula. Now, how are we going to do that? Let's see. Let's calculate or make a simple mark sheet of two subjects. Now we are going to assume that the total marks for each of these subjects are 50. So the total marks in the paper would be 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. And the resultant or the result will be the sum of these two marks, F and G, and the percentage would be the result divided by total marks multiplied by 100. Now we have this simple formula. Now if I enter 25 over here, it gives me the correct percentage. But if I enter 51 over here, it gives me the percentage which not any paper could achieve. For example, the total marks should not exceed the total marks of the paper. So I cannot enter, or I should not enter any number above 50. But if we have, like, suppose 100 or 200 students, there is a probability that the person who's entering the number into this data sheet might make a mistake. So this is where data validation comes in. Now to validate the data, what we do is we go into the data tab over here, and from here we go over here and into the data validation tab, and let's suppose if I want to make sure that this value should not exceed 50 and should be a whole number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select whole number, and the data should be from and the data should be from 1 to a maximum number of 50. Now the input message should be enter the student number, so the teacher or whoever is entering the marks should know. Error alert: if someone by mistakes enter number above 50, he will get the message enter number, enter correct result. In the error message, it would read enter number between 1 till 50 and OK. Now if I write or enter 25 in English paper, that is correct, and if I write 51 in math, the error that the should be between 1 till 50. So I hope this small video about data validation was helpful, and thank you for watching.